If you want to get all decked out for the holidays, but you don't have a thing to wear, you can easily upcycle last year's holiday dress shirts into a stylish Christmas dress. So today, we're going to use a men's button-down dress shirt and a once-loved holiday-themed t-shirt to create a stylish Christmas dress. So if you're ready, let's make it!
DIY by Jane.
You'll need a sewing machine, a men's button-down dress shirt in a festive color. Today, we're going to be using green. A holiday-themed t-shirt. Our shirt today is from A Christmas Story. Fabric scissors, a rotary cutter, measuring tape, straight pins, and accent sparkle fabric. Well, that's optional for trim. First, let's deconstruct the shirts. Starting with the button-down shirt, cut off the sleeves at the armholes. Then, using a straight edge and rotary cutter, cut across the shoulders under the neckline to remove the collar. Now, let's cut off the sleeves of the t-shirt. Then, fold the t-shirt in half lengthwise. Cut the bottom of the shirt off so the top portion hits you just below the chest, right around the rib cage. And cut the sides. You can also use a fitted t-shirt pattern for the correct size. Now, with the right side of the t-shirt facing the right side of the button-down shirt, pin the bottom of the t-shirt to the top edge of the cut dress shirt. Pin the raw edges in place and sew the two pieces together. You'll do the same with the back sides of the t-shirt and the dress shirt. Pin the bottom edge of the t-shirt to the top edge of the dress with the right sides facing each other. Once they're pinned in place, sew the two pieces together. Leaving the garment with the wrong side facing out, pin the sides together. Now, it's helpful to use your marking chalk and draw side seams right along the lines where you want to sew. Remember, you're tapering it from the hips all the way up to your armholes. Sew along the sides and following the original curve of the dress shirt. Trim the sides and try it on for fit. At this point, if the side seams of the dress need to be taken in at the chest, waist, or hips, you can measure on the body form now. Pin any modifications in place using your marking chalk, and then sew it together. Turn the dress right side out. Give it a press with your iron to smooth out all the seams. To finish, you can add sleeves, or you can choose to leave your Christmas dress sleeveless and turn the shoulders under, pin it in place, and then sew around the armhole to give it a nice finished edge. Now, if you want to add some accent fabric to the shoulders, you can do that now. So cut two pieces, 15 inches by 2 inches, one for each armhole. Fold the long edges under on both sides, and then wrap the armhole opening with the accent fabric. Now note, the fabric doesn't have to run all the way around the armhole. Start it just above the side seam of the armhole, and it will finish just above the side seam of the armhole on the other side. Pin it in place and sew. And there you have it, a refashioned button-down dress shirt turned super stylish, one-of-a-kind Christmas dress. Now this is a great way to recycle old clothes and get fashion-forward festive this holiday season. And now you've got something to wear to all of those holiday parties.